Hi guys, it's Jennifer and welcome back to my Flagstaff Home. I'm here today to show you how I organized all of my baking supplies in a nice, neat manner. So come along with me, be sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So I did organize my baking supplies, like my flour, my all-purpose flour, my bread flour, oatmeal, all kinds of things like that, in a cabinet that has glass doors on it in my kitchen. So I originally had some cookbooks in that cabinet, but then they all started to kind of fall over to the sides. And when you've got glass on the cabinet doors, it just makes the kitchen look messy. And so I wanted to put something in there that would look nice all the time in my kitchen, and also help take care of the problem of having canisters on my countertop. I already have kind of limited countertop space, and so this was really helpful. So I started by going to Hobby Lobby. They have a really great section of glass containers, and they have some really nice larger ones that have lids and seal really nicely that I thought would be good for organizing those baking supplies. So I had gone and I'd gotten 16 and then went back the next day and got 5 more when I realized I had, some more things. But always check at Hobby Lobby for their sales, because while their glass canisters are reasonably priced to begin with, you can find some really good sales there. In fact, when I bought mine, they were having a 50% off sale on all of their glass containers. So here's what the containers look like. They have nice lids on them and they seal very tightly. I wanted to make sure that I had different sizes based on how much of each thing I normally have. So like, for example, I have a larger container for sugar and a larger container for all-purpose flour, and smaller containers for the 2 kinds of cornmeal I have, and so on. So you can decide just how much you typically have in your house of different items before deciding what size containers to get. The next thing I did is I made labels to put on each jar. And so I went to labels.com, and they have a section, a label maker section. I will link that for you in the space below this video, so it'll take you right over there. And they have these free templates, and you can print them out on your own sticker paper, or you can buy sticker paper from labels.com. I think they will actually print them for you. Not exactly sure. But if you have a decent printer at home, then you can just get yourself some sticker paper and do it that way. So these are really nice editable labels, so you can put whatever you want on them and then just print them out and put them on your jars. So I lined them up. So before I started putting the stickers on, I didn't want to have one sticker at this height and one down here. And so I kind of lined my jars up so I could get the labels at evenly spaced on there, and then just kind of started playing around with where I wanted the jars to go. So it turned out really great. This is how the cabinet looks now. And then if I back up a little bit and show you this picture, it shows you that I actually have 2 sets of glass doors. So I have my dinnerware behind one set of glass doors, and then my baking canisters behind the other, and it looks really nice. So I hope this was helpful to you, and let me know if you've done something to organize your supplies in a way that you really love. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber to my Flagstaff Home, I would love to have you come along. So take care, you guys. Bye-bye.